masters that you finished, and where?
Master in Management, major in Public Administration. So, ano tayo? Philippine Christian University. PCU tayo. PCU.
How long did it take you to finish this?
Ano siya? More or less mga 2 years. More or less mga 2 years. There was a time when meron akong gustong mga ma-achieve at saka tapusin. Siyempre, lumipas ang panahon. Half a century na tayo. Almost half a century na. So, nagkaroon tayo ng decision making. Everything changed during the pandemic.
Okay.
So, pandemic talaga. Changed our lives. I woke up one day. Sabi ko sa asawa ko, magugunaw na ang mundo. Parang ganyan. So, lahat ng services namin bilang public servant, andun lahat. And then, nagising ako isang umaga, walang-wala na ako. As in, wala na. Parang, everything that I have, binigay ko na. So, pumapasok yung huling election ko as a city councilor na walang-wala ako talaga. I gave everything. So sabi ko, parang ayoko na. So asawa ko yung nag-convince sa akin, you have to run, you have to finish it. And then, yung outlook sa buhay iba na. Akala ko magugunaw na yung mundo, todas na tayong lahat. So everything changed. So, sabi ko, mas maganda matapos ko yung mga talagang gusto kong gawin.
Okay.
The best feeling is giving back to the people na nag-support sa amin bilang artista, bilang race car driver, bilang public servant, and all that. And what better way kung matatapos ko yung mga gusto kong pag-aralan na isang tabi ko nung time ng career ko bilang artista. So, balik eskwela, they're offering different courses, no? PC was offering different courses, special courses, and all that. Convenient for any student.
Okay.
Kung anong style ang gusto nila. So, we opted yung hybrid na merong online, merong classes sa school, convenient sa akin. Monday to Friday ang trabaho ko, pero pasok sa oras ko. Ayun, can you believe it na natapos ko siya?
I was about to ask nga kung mahirap ba siya?
Ano kung gusto mong pahirapan yung sarili mo, nasa sa'yo naman eh. Pero kung gusto mong mapadali sa'yo, nasa sa'yo din.
Right.
But all the courses are there, all the options are there. Yan na yung makabagong education.
Right.
Na bagay para kahit kanino, kahit anong lifestyle, kahit anong trabaho mo, kahit saan ka nanggaling, kahit anong edad mo. So, it's very, very inspiring. Meeting them, makilala mo yung mga tao nagtapos na, makilala mo yung mga nagtuturo sa'yo, and lahat tinutulungan ka. And yung environment na na nakakabata.
Right.
Kasi yung mga kasama mo, puro youth.
Right. Pero na-renew ba yung spirit mo? Kasi sabi mo kanina, walang-wala ka, and now nakapagtapos ka and everything.
Oo. Kasi dumating tayo doon sa point na kung saan ang daming changes globally. No? Lahat ng gastusin, everything. Ang expenses ngayon, lifestyle of living, anywhere in the world. Multiplied by 2, 3, maybe more. So everything is so expensive. Everything is challenging. Environment is very different na. No? Kumbaga, nagbago na lahat. So, andito tayo to be prepared for a better future and a better world for everyone. And then, bilang public servant, ito yung pinasok ko. Gusto kong magbigay ng serbisyo sa tao. Kailangan well-equipped ka rin talaga sa makabagong panahon. So, you have to be updated.
Actually, marami na kayo eh. Dami kong nakikita ng mga, hindi lang celebrities, kundi like incumbent public officials na nag-aaral patuloy. No?
Yes.
Na, so ready ka na ulit to run for next, not this one, but next.
I'm proud to say with most humility na mas masarap sa pakiramdam na yung parang kahit anong posisyon or challenge na ibigay sa'yo, kaya mong tanggapin. May it be an election na binoboto ka ng tao, may it be barangay level,
Or an appointment.
LGU level, appointments, yung ganyan ba? So, parang kung ang direksyon ng buhay mo ang binigay sa'yo ng Diyos,
Right.
public service, kailangan prepared ka.
Ang reaction ni Abby.
Reaction ni Abby, ano yan?
Oh yeah, there
supporter.
you are. Pasok ka na doon. Ikaw na yung mag-react.
Pinakamalaking supporter ko yan. Diba?
Anong reaction?
I am so proud of my husband. You know, it doesn't matter how old you are. If you want to achieve something and you reach for your dream, I'm so proud of you, baby.
Salamat.
Every day, I'm just here to support you. I love you so much.
Ikaw daw ang nag-inspire sa kanya
Oh,
to really
really?
pursue it.
Yeah, ano naman, not a lot of people know, but my husband does have he has a brilliant mind, and it's a shame if he's not gonna use it to serve and help other people. So I push him the way he pushes me every day.
Right. Ano, doctorate na? Tuloy-tuloy na
Yes.
yan?
Pwede,
Yes.
di ba?
Pwede.
Pwede, di ba?
Oo, habang wala pang ginagawa.
Dr. Iliana.
Why not? Follow in the footsteps of your father, and your father will be so proud.
Walang tulad ng walang imposible. Tulad ng sabi ng iba, walang imposible sa Diyos. Basta gustuhin mo, kayang-kaya mo. Kumbaga, kahit walang imposible sa mundong ito. Kung ano yung gusto mong achieve, may kasamang sakripisyo, pero kayang-kaya. Kahit anong lifestyle.
Your dad has a doctorate degree?
My father was a neuropsychiatrist.
Oh, wow.
He served in the military. So parang pag binilang mo yung years, parang sila yung type na pinakamatagal sila sa eskwelahan. So UST siya, pareho ni Tito Nestor. From UST, and then AFP,
Okay.
and then he served the Philippine Military Academy for the longest time. He's yung chief ng medicine ng Armed Forces of the Philippines na medical center, yung ganyan ba? So, kaka-proud. So, ako, nararamdaman ko siya always. And alam ko, looking at us, binabantayan kami sa heaven. So, ano na yan, kung meron siyang pinamana sa amin, is hindi naman karangyaan or kayamanan, kundi it's the brand, yung iniwan niyang pangalan, and the type of service na iniwan niya sa atin.
Anybody else? That's it. Thank you very much. Picture please.